Hello everyone, today we will discuss about question number 4, the characteristics of a computer system. These are the main features that make computers powerful and different from humans in performing tasks. Here we go. First, speed. Computers work extremely fast compared to humans. Example, a complex calculation that might take a person 1 hour can be solved by a computer in just a second. Second, accuracy. Computers give 100% correct results if the input is correct. Example, if you enter the right formula in MS Excel, it will always calculate the correct answer. Errors usually happen only when humans enter wrong data. Third, diligence. Computers never get tired or bored. They can repeat the same task millions of times with the same accuracy. Example, ATM machines count money accurately all day without feeling tired. For versatility. Versatility means doing different types of tasks. Example, a computer can be used for typing, browsing the internet, editing videos, and playing games, all on the same device. 5. Reliability. Computers are reliable because they give the same result every time for the same input. Example, if you type 2 into a calculator today, tomorrow, or 100 times, the answer will always be 4. 6. Automation. Computers work automatically once we give instructions. They don't need continuous human guidance. Example, printing 500 pages, the printer continues the job automatically without us sitting beside it. 7. Memory. Computers can store a huge amount of data. Primary memory RAM cache stores data temporarily. Secondary storage, like hard disks, C-disks, pen drives for long-term storage. Example, you can save thousands of photos or videos on your laptop.